Does this ever happen at the Southern 100, Tubby?
Oh, never at all.
Never seen the like in our life. And straight out into the lead is number 3. I think it's the same lawnmower. And the John Deere has overshot the corner. And down they go. Just trimming the hedgerows as they go. He's got the look about him. No wonder I don't know what engine is that, but Flash jumps he can go. Number 13, and he keeps almost shooting the corners. Horseman Pat. Closely followed there by number 3, but no, still will. This is a fancy looking machine. She's the eye back. Who's this coming along? This is diesel power. Listen to the noise of that, everybody. She's the I-City diesel. It's self-cool. It's cool curve, it says here. You never know it was more cool, would you? Cool curve there on the diesel. My God, this old John Deere's good machine. And the yellow flag's out. There's been a crash in the far corner. Been a bad crash in Malacrane. And he's losing ground here. The bombers are shut. They're going to start her up. Osama bin Laden is out of action. Cracker Jack Craig. And it looks like the old John Deere is streets ahead. You can hardly hear her going there. Oh! And he's taking the marker post with him. My God. Postman Patterson, you've never seen him before. Miles an hour faster. There's no drop of this line there. Osama bin Laden. Postman Pat is laps ahead. I don't know whose lap scoring, but I wouldn't want his job here today. Look at the speed of that down the back street. That speed's approaching 100 miles an hour. Down the corner he's going. Tripping the fields and dogs flying everywhere. Oh, come, I think we should give him a bit of applause when he gets round. He's taking the course with him. Long wheelbase, but she's on her last lap now. Comes round by the tent. Here we go here. Number 3, Windowsill Willie. Look at the style of the man. With a gas grill out there on the corner. And now they come here now. Tommy, Paul, David Thompson, high back. Thompson down, and I think number 13's coming through for the second flag. Let's give a great big round of applause there. The John Deere with Postman Pat on board takes the premiere. Oh, the speed of that man. But he's used a lot less fuel than the rest of them, always remember. Ah, here he comes now as Willie, smacking his own ass as hard as he can. Round the corner. And he takes second place, I